In this video, I'll show you how to keep VODs on Twitch. All right, it is pretty easy to do. Just go ahead and log into your twitch.tv account. Once done, go ahead over to your profile right here at the top right. Click on it. Now in here, you're going to want to go to Creator Dashboard. All right. Now here in the left pane, if you can't see it, just go ahead and click on this arrow right here to pop this out. Now in here, you're going to want to go to Settings, click on it. Now head over to Stream. Now in here, go ahead and scroll down until you find this section called VOD settings or VOD settings. All right, as you can see here, mine is enabled, which automatically save a broadcast up to 7 days and 14 days for affiliates, 60 days for partners, Turbo and Prime users. All right, now you'll be able to always publish your VODs as well. All right, your VODs or VODs will be published by default. If toggled off, VODs will be unpublished by default. All right. Now, as you can see here, I have both of these enabled. I want to go back to my profile or my channel. As you can see here, you'll be able to see my clips. And when we go to our videos, in the videos tab, you'll be able to see the VODs that are live streamed 7 days ago. All right. As you can see here, this one, which is 6 days ago, and 7 days onwards will be deleted. All right, as you can see here, it is now on blank. There you have it. That's how you keep VODs on Twitch. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.